So you have an assignment and need to find scholarly articles. There's a lot out there. Where to start? The first thing is to figure out what to look for, which helps you identify what you want in the databases. Your instructor may tell you exactly what is required for an assignment, like peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed articles undergo a thorough process in which they're both written and reviewed by subject experts before being published. These are found in publications like academic journals, not newspapers or magazines, so that information helps you focus your search from the start. If you've been asked to find empirical, primary, or original research, those terms refer to articles that report a particular study or trial that produced original data about the subject. You'll see that these articles include sections like methods and results, and they look like a lab report with study results and conclusion sections. Empirical, primary, or original research articles are different from review articles, which can include systematic reviews, literature reviews, and meta-analyses. Review articles are broader summaries of these individual primary studies. They are very useful for gaining background insight into a topic and providing a variety of references to original research articles, but they may not themselves be what you need for your assignment. Now that you know what to look for, head over to the GSU Library's website at library.gsu.edu. At the top of the page, hover over Research and then select Databases. This brings you to a full listing of all our subscription databases, over 400 of them. To find the ones that will be the best for you, drop down the options under All Subjects to select the best subject area for your topic. Public health is a great choice, but it's also a very interdisciplinary field, so you might want to try others depending on your topic. For example, researching the healthcare industry may take you into the business area, and effective healthcare messaging may take you into communications. Here, we'll choose public health. Here you'll see the most relevant databases we have for the area of public health. Two of the most popular public health-oriented databases are noted at the top of the page as best bets, and they're a great place to start. Let's take a look at PubMed. In PubMed, I'll enter my search terms. Here, I'll use the terms that we developed from our previous Creating a Search String video, in which we designed a search string from the research question, How does nutrition affect seniors with dementia? This search gives us over 5,300 results, but we can narrow it down from there using the options on the left side of the page. First, take a look at article type. This is where we tell PubMed what kind of articles we're looking for. It gives us a short list to start, but there are more options available under additional filters. For example, if you're looking for original, empirical, or primary research, select the options that let you choose items describing a case, a study, or trial. These terms indicate that the authors are reporting original data. Select these options and click Show. Now these are options available to you on the results page, and you can select them to narrow your results from there. Now select an appropriate date range using the bar at the top of the filters, or choose an option under publication date. Here I'll select the last 5 years. You can explore other filters on your own, but you can see how this produces a tailored result list to explore. If you see something that could be useful, select the title of the article. This shows you more information about the article and relevant details, the abstract, similar articles that are also in this database, and even a selection of articles in this database that have cited the article that you selected. To see the full text, use the links in the top right portion of the page. If there is more than one, any will do. That just means that the full text is available in more than one place. Keep in mind that other databases may look different when you search, but all have similar options so you can use these same techniques. This has been how to find an article in an academic database. To reach me for future questions or further assistance, email me at bhavis@gsu.edu or make an appointment at our reservation calendar.